Hey, it's David Seay with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
And we're here at the beautiful Lake Moultrie area with a great property for you at 601 Levee Drive up here in Moncks Corner.
That's right, Moncks Corner, David. Beautiful Lake Moultrie. I'm looking at it right here. We're high up, Levee Drive. A beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Lots of potential.
Lots of potential, 1,500 square feet, and we have a few options. You could look at this property and take it as is. It's got a beautiful backyard, great area to park, a very quiet area, or we've got a flexible client that could even do something creative for you and upgrade the property for you if that's something you'd like to do.
That's right. Our client is a custom home builder, and he can do absolutely whatever you want, but it's got great bones, all brick construction, and you are 1 block to the boat landing here on Lake Moultrie.
Yeah, and he's just a very flexible and a great craftsman, and it's a quiet area. People love to break away and get up here, and we'd love to show you the property. Please give us a call. We'd be happy to show it to you. David Seay with the brokerage. You can reach me at 843-364-6720.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage. Give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.